morning, guys. I miss starting the videos that way. I just got paid by the government. Let's fucking go, man. I'm gonna order my Durston Gear tent today, the X-Dome 2, and I'm gonna order a new backpack as well, so I can give my old backpack, which is quite heavy, to Anders, the guy I'm gonna hike to Sweden, that I'm gonna hike in Sweden with. It'll be nice to get a lighter backpack. It'll be nice to be able to give him mine. I already got the I got the dry backs for the electric unicycle, so I'm gonna start installing those on the electric unicycle soon. Shift all of my weight onto the wheel. I'm morning on Tuten with Bogdan. And what was his name?
Jens.
No, his name.
I thought about another guy.
Jonas, I think.
Jonas.
Jonas?
Yeah, Jonas.
Yeah.
Other second.
Yeah. And oh yeah, Jonas, he fixed these these earbuds that I got from Matthias in Nyborg. So they're working now, and someone's using them. I'm pretty happy about that. It's much better than letting them go to waste. I made this drink for me and Bogdan with elderflower and strawberry concentrate and organic lemon juice and then some sparkling water. Now we're gonna have a cigarette. Start the day out. Check it out, guys. Can you see? I've added some stickers here. Gotta represent. Hey. And what else? Oh, boom. And boom. And yeah, I just added all the stickers to this. As I'm out picking up a cargo bike for Yes. He just got this thing secondhand and had me pick it up. Now he wants me and Bogdan to repair it to make some money. But I got other projects today. Yeah, maybe tomorrow or the day after. But I'm bringing it back to Tuten. It's not in the best condition, but it was cheap, so it's a good deal. Oh yeah, and the brakes don't work. That's why I'm pushing it with the wheel. Handing off some bottles to recoup some money from yesterday, so I can buy some more stuff for Tuten. I think I'm gonna buy some ice cubes, some more drinks, just so we have it. It's nice that there's something to drink and eat all the time, you know? Ice cubes, apples, soda, and sparkling water. Oh yeah, I need the concentrates for the sparkling water too. Let's go get it. Man, I wish I was rich enough to just buy a shit ton of these things and just fill up the fridge-freezer combo. I got Anas to turn it on. I was like, dude, we need to be able to store ice cubes. It's too fucking hot in here. Here we go, concentrates. Guess I'm just gonna take one of each, except for this one. We already have this one. I don't like it.
Men der noget galt i den første lørdag i september? Ikke andet end personligt har mega travlt lige der. Så ja.
Started working on Yes's batteries. Look at this shit. Sorted some of them up here, the gray ones. It's a complete rebuild. It's gonna take a while. Hey, Twitter. Here we go. Did some shopping. Let's make some dinner. Fish and chips. Oh yeah, nice.
Growing in
Yeah,
our
I've tasted
bushes.
them. Tima, he gave me some.
Yeah.
I've already bought like 3 of these earlier today. I got 4 more. They're so popular. We got rhubarb and raspberry up in here now. I've just been mixing these drinks. I got some rhubarb in here. Let me add some raspberry. That's not the exact drink I've been making all day. And you add this ever so slowly so it doesn't actually dilute the stuff at the bottom. And then here's the trick. Ugh, how do I open this shit? Okay, so I don't think this is organic. It's not. I got an organic one earlier, but it'll do. And you just sprinkle this on top. And get something to stir it with. And the lemon will kind of stay on top where it's not as diluted as the rest of the drink. I'm not gonna mix it up fully. It's gonna be a bit stronger in the bottom half, a bit more lemony in the top half. It's very nice, very refreshing. I must have made like 20, 30 of these today. I'm making some for the neighbors too. Eller måske, jeg har ikke set ham i hvert fald. The neighbors enjoyed the food. The guys are leaving now. They're working on making music over there. I figured they needed some energy. And we had some spare food. Been listening to Parcels all day, and you know what the nice part is? No one's complaining. It's been going on repeat. Now we're listening to a different performance, but I was just listening to the same live volume 1 all day yesterday and today, and people just like it. It's nice. I think we fucked it up, man.
Yeah, I think so too.
Because we put the heat element underneath this bucket when it's supposed to go in the bucket,
Yeah.
and so the draining bucket underneath, which is plastic for whatever reason, right? It looks like that. Yeah. Not ideal.
Yeah, I think it's broken.
The deep fryer has given us major issues. We're spending like an hour trying to clean this thing up. Oh my god. It sure made the food easier to make, faster to make, but it's not much faster to clean it up. Yeah, me and Anas were closing today. Oh, and Anas, he's gonna be my, like, I'm gonna be his follow along or whatever you say. Like, he's gonna show me the ropes. I'm really happy he's gonna be the one to do it. Him and Bogdan are basically the reason I fell in love with this place. Like, the energy those two guys bring and the kind of people they invite here and have hang around, it's great. Of course the members are great too, but I really like these guys. I'm gonna go with Anas tomorrow. He's gotta do something at the government building, so do I. Guys, I set up the tent. I'm in my sleeping bag now, talking to Stony. But before I went here, I spotted like 3-4 guys on mopeds, and I decided to race them. Actually, I think I could have taken them, but I didn't want to push it. You know, it's just going 70 something. I don't know, man. I just don't really feel like pushing the 80% beeps anymore, honestly. I'm good. I'm not young and immortal anymore. Let the young kids win the race, right? Oh, this is a good night for me. I gotta get up in like 5 hours, go to the government with Anas. We're gonna meet at Tooten. I gotta pack down my tent and stuff, but should be pretty quick. Good night now, guys. See ya.